Histology of cardiac and smooth muscle cells. Cardiac muscle cells, also called as the cardiac myocytes. Cardiac muscle forms the muscular wall of the heart, that is called as the myocardium, and shows features intermediate between skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. Very, very important point. General characteristics. Cells are, you can see the cells, okay, cardiac muscle cells, short, cylindrical, branching and striated. You will find the dark and light band. Adjacent cell anastomos join with each other to form a network of your what? Muscle fibers. Cardiac muscle is involuntary and rhythmic in contraction due to the sinoatrial node, SA node, or nodal tissue of the heart. Size, length approximately 85 to 100 micrometer, diameter 15 micrometer. Development, a single myoblast develop into a single cardiac muscle cell or myocardiocyte. Cardiac muscle cells branch and anastomose, forming a complex network of fibers. Okay. Cytoplasm is eosinophilic, granular, okay, due to the presence of numerous myofibrils and mitochondria. You can find mitochondria and actin and myosin filaments or myofibrils. Myofibrils are present but are less regularly arranged as compared to the skeletal muscle. In skeletal muscle, they are typically arranged in the form of dark and light band. A proper arrangement is there in the skeletal muscle. Cross striations, alternating light and dark bands are present due to the arrangement of actin and myosin filament. So, eosinophilic and granular. Nucleus, single, okay. Sometimes two nuclei may be present, oval and centrally placed. Nuclear chromatin appears vesicular with areas of heterochromatin. Vasculature. Cardiac muscle is supplied by a rich capillary plexus, ensuring continuous oxygen supply due to its constant activity, because heart is beating continuously. This point very, very important. Intercalated disc you will find. These are specialized junctions, complexes that connect adjacent cardiac muscle cells. Okay. So you can find intercalated disc. End-to-end junctions between cardiac muscle cells, we can say. Appearance in the light microscope appear as a dark, thin, transverse line crossing the muscle fibers. Okay, crossing the muscle fibers. Structural component. Intercalated disc consists of three types of junction. First, fascia adherens anchors actin filament of the terminal sarcomere, means here you will find. So here you will find. Okay. So they anchor the your what? Actin filaments. So fascia adherens means this structure. Fascia adherens anchors actin filaments of the terminal. They anchor, attach actin filaments of the terminal sarcomere, helps transmit contractile force between the cells, and you will find these structures. Okay. Macula adherens or desmosomes you will find, provide strong mechanical attachment between the adjacent cells. You will also find very important gap junctions. You will also find. You will find the gap junction. Okay. Allow electrical coupling between the cells. Enable rapid spread of impulses, allowing synchronized contraction of the heart. Crucial for synchronized heartbeat. Very, very important. Gap junction. Okay. So they form one kind of what? Electrical synapse. They are not chemical synapse, they are electrical synapse. Microscopic appearance of cardiac muscle in cross section. Okay, in the cross section appear oval or circular in profile in cross section. Okay, Centrally, nucleus may be visible. Longitudinal section, okay, you can see. Cells appear cylindrical with branching, okay. Branch you may find. Cross striation, intercalated disc may be visible in the longitudinal section. Ultrastructure, okay. Myofibrils you will find structurally similar to skeletal muscle with a sarcomere, okay, showing A bands and I bands you can see. So A band or dark band, this is the light band or I band, okay. T-tubule occur at the level of Z line in the cardiac muscle, okay. So here you will find Z line, the Z line. So at this level there is the invagination of sarcomere, that is. So at this point you will find invagination of sarcomere, that is the T-tubule, okay, you will find. In the skeletal muscle you find the triad, but here you will find the diads, very important. Instead of triads seen in skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle forms diads. You will find one T-tubule you will find and one terminal cisternae you will find, okay. One T-tubule is invagination of sarcolemma and one terminal cisterna of the sarcoplasmic reticulum. You will find basal lamina. Each cardiac muscle cell is surrounded by a basal lamina. Then histology of smooth muscle cells, involuntary muscle. Smooth muscle occurs in the wall of hollow organs, okay, like your alimentary canal, okay. Then blood vessels and viscera. Shape, spindle shaped. Yes, this is spindle shape or fusiform cells with a tapering ends. Length 20 to 200 micrometer. Diameter 5 to 20 micrometer. Development, a single myoblast form a single smooth muscle cell. Cytoplasm eosinophilic and granular. No cross striations are present. You will not find dark and light band because myofilaments are not arranged in the sarcomeres. Nucleus you can see, okay. Single nucleus you will find elongated and cigar shaped. Centrally located, appears vesicular. Microscopic appearance of smooth muscle in cross section, okay, shows non-uniform diameter in the cross section, non-uniform diameter. Only large sections will display the nucleus because the nucleus lies in the thicker central region. Longitudinal section you can see spindle shaped, arranged in an overlapping manner. No cross striations are visible. Ultrastructure means under electron microscope, myofilaments arranged as parallel bundles along the axis of the cells, okay. Filaments are discontinuous and branching, okay. Actin filaments, thin filaments are arranged in spiral bundles attached to the dense body within the cytoplasm. Myosin, okay. So these are the thin filaments actually and these are the thick filament, myosin. Thick filaments fewer in number. Each myosin filament interacts with approximately 15 actin filaments, okay, 1:15 ratio. In skeletal muscle, each myosin interact with about 6 actin filaments. Intermediate filaments more numerous and help maintain cell structure and integrity. Means you will also find intermediate filaments, okay. You can find the intermediate filament, you will find dense bodies, you will find, okay. You can find the dense bodies. Electron dense structures present in the cytoplasm also found attached to the your what? Sarcolemma, function as anchoring points for actin filaments. Okay, actin filaments. Okay, means actin filaments here you will also find actin filaments. Okay, equivalent to the Z lines of the skeletal muscle fiber. Very important point. Basal lamina. Each smooth muscle cell is surrounded by basal lamina located between the adjacent muscle cells and the intercellular junction.